Researchers from the University of Messina have formulated a lightweight foam concrete to more effectively 3D print building structures without the need for any formwork. Unlike traditional lightweight foam concrete, the novel material, 3D-PC, is able to retain its shape in its molten or fresh state due to a very high viscosity. Upon extensive testing, the team also found the specially formulated concrete to have a compressive strength higher than that of conventional concrete, making it potentially viable for industrial use. Conventional foam concretes often exhibit low mechanical strength and instability, making them unsuitable for any practical building. This article published by 3D Printing Industry in 6 May 2020. Follow GCOportal.com or GCO Official on social medias for newest scientific and technological achievement in construction industry.